Hello children, today we are going to see in this video practice set 41. First question, if interest on rupees 1700 is rupees 340 for 2 years, the rate of interest must be. Substitute the value, total interest equals to PRT upon 100. 340 is the interest, 1700 is the principal amount, R we don't know, into 2 upon 100. Cross multiply and simplify it. You will get R equals to 10%. So option number D. If the interest on rupees 3000 is rupees 600 at a certain rate for a certain number of years, what would be the interest be on the rupees 1500 under the same conditions? We have seen the interest rate and principal amount are in ratio. The interest on rupees 3000 at certain rate of interest is 600. Let us suppose the interest on the rupees 1500 at the same rate is x. So 600 upon 3000 equals to x upon 15,000. Therefore, if you simplify, x equals to rupees 300. Question 3. Javed deposited rupees 12,000 at 9% per annum in a bank for some years and withdrew his interest every year. At the end of the period, he had received altogether rupees 17,400. For how many years had he deposited his money? Principal is 12,000. Rate of interest is 9% per annum. Amount is given rupees 17,400. We have to use the formula amount equals to principal plus interest. So 17,400 is the amount equals to principal 12,000. So interest is how much? Therefore, interest equals to 17,400 minus 12,000 equals to 5,400. Therefore, total interest equals to PRT upon 100. So 5,400 equals to 12,000 into 9 into T. T is not known to us, upon 100. Simplify for T by cross multiplying the terms. So 5,400 divided by 120 into 9. Why 120 into 9? Because this 100 and these two zeros are cut here. So this will come in denominator. Simplify this also. Therefore, T equals to 5 years. Therefore, Javed had deposited the amount for 5 years. Question number 4. Lataben borrowed some money from a bank at a rate of 10% per annum, interest of rupees 2.5 years. This is 2.5 years to start a cottage industry. If she paid rupees 10,250 as total interest, how much money had she borrowed? Here R equals to 10% per annum. 2.5 year means 2.5 years. And interest is given I rupees 10,250. So total interest equals to PRT upon 100. Interest is given 10,250. P we don't know, into 10 into period, that is 2.5 upon 100. 110 came here, which is 10 and 10 cut here. So 100 only it is here. 25 upon 100 it is given. Therefore, cross multiply. 100 will come in numerator. 25 will come in denominator. 10250 into 100. 1 za, 4 za. So 10,250 into 4 equals to rupees 41,000. So principal equals to 41,000. Therefore, Lataben had borrowed an amount of rupees 41,000 from the bank. Next, fill in the blanks in the table. Here you see the terms which are given bold here, that are calculated below and written here. So, principal is given, rate of interest is given, time is given. We have to find out the interest and amount, and so on. Whatever terms are missing, we have to find out. We'll come across in the exercise. First problem, total interest equals to PRT upon 100 equals to 44,200 into 7 into 3 divided by 100. Simplify this, interest you will get rupees 882. Amount equals to principal plus interest. So 4,200 plus 882. Answer comes to rupees 5,082. Next row, second problem. Total interest, again formula remains the same. Two formulas only are used in this exercise. Total interest equals to PRT upon 100 and amount equals to principal plus interest. So total interest is given 1200 equals to P is not given, R is given, T is given upon 100. Substitute the values, simplify it, you will get P equals to rupees 5,000. Amount equals to principal plus interest. Principal you have calculated 5,000. Interest was known to you 1200. So total amount comes to rupees 6,200. Next, total interest equals to PRT upon 100. 800 is interest, principal is 8,000, rate of interest is 5, time period we have to calculate upon 100. Simplify it, you will get time period equals to 2 years. Amount equals to principal plus interest, so 8,000 plus 800 equals to rupees 8,800. Next, amount equals to principal plus interest. Amount is given 18,000. Principal we have to find out. Interest is given as 6,000. So principal equals to 18,000 minus 6,000 equals to rupees 12,000. Total interest equals to PRT upon 100. So interest is 6,000 equals to 12,000 principal what you have calculated into rate 5 into time we have to calculate upon 100. This must be upon 100. Therefore, when you simplify this, 6,000 upon 120 into 5. This 100 and this two zeros are cut. Therefore, time period T equals to 10 years. Next, rate of interest is 2.5% equals to 2.5%. Total interest equals to PRT upon 100. So interest is 2,400. P is to be calculated. R is given 2.5. T is given 5 upon 100. So 2,400 equals to P into 25 into 5, removing the decimal point, and in denominator one more 10 is added. So upon 100 into 10. Simplify this. Therefore, P equals to rupees 19,200. Amount equals to principal plus interest equals to 19,200 plus 2,400 equals to rupees 21,600. With this, we finish this exercise. In the next video, we will see the next exercise. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.